Hi, I just made a great discovery about how to enhance the sound with your iPhone. What you're going to need is first the Apple AirPods, and then you're going to need silicone covers. Put 2 silicone covers over each earbud, and the sound quality is going to be fantastic. So try this if you ever get a chance to buy Apple AirPods. This is a fantastic discovery that I've made. Don't buy the silicone covers with the tips on them like you see here. You're going to get silicone covers without the tips. You place 2 covers over each earbud, and the sound quality will increase about at least 5 times. You won't have background noise. You're going to have a full transmission of sound, and it's going to be fantastic. Take care and have a beautiful day. Goodbye.